Yeah, see the question. Consider the figure. Figure is given and they have given this also. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. OQ is side. OQ this side. PQ means PQ this side. So OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 means the length of side OQ minus the length of side PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. So that is given, figure given. We need to find sin Q and cos Q. Okay. So first what you do, we need to find the sin Q cos Q, right? First to write the formula for sin Q. Sin Q, I will take sin Q is equal to Q means this angle. This is angle Q. This is angle O. Okay. See, for these angles I have written like this. But for this angle I have written like this. See, this angle is like box kind of thing. It's like box. So this is 90 degree. Okay. When one angle is 90 degree in a triangle, now this is right triangle. Because of 90 degree, this triangle OPQ is called right triangle because of 90 degree. Okay, that you remember. So for right triangle, trigonometric functions are applicable. Okay, for other triangles, this sin Q, cos Q are not applicable. Trigonometric functions are not applicable. For right triangle, we will use trigonometric functions. Okay. Now consider angle Q they have given. Angle Q. First write, note whether this is angle Q or theta or whatever, write the formula first. Sine of angle is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay. OPP means this is short form of opposite side. HYP is short form of hypotenuse. Now first we will mark opposite side, hypotenuse and adjacent in this triangle. See, in both sine and cos, angle is same Q. So consider the angle Q. So this is the side opposite to this angle, correct? So this side is opposite to this. So this is opposite side, OPP. So OP, this side is opposite side and this side is making 90 degree with this side. Okay, 90 degree angle is between this and this. So if this is opposite side, so this is adjacent side, ADG. Okay, so remaining side is hypotenuse. Okay, OPP is short form of opposite side, ADJ means short form of adjacent side, and this HYP is short form of hypotenuse. Now sin Q formula I have done. Next to write formula for cos Q. So adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Okay. So to find sin Q, opposite and hypotenuse we need. See, opposite side is this. Opposite side is given 7 centimeter, but hypotenuse it is not given. Similarly, come here cos Q, adjacent also not given, hypotenuse also not given. So first what we have to do, we need to find hypotenuse and adjacent. So then we can find sin Q and cos Q. See, for right triangle there is Pythagoras formula. Hypotenuse whole square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. This formula applicable for right triangle. Now hypotenuse is what? This side, OQ. So OQ, this square, is equal to opposite side, OPP. This is opposite side, OP. So OP, this square, plus adjacent. This is adjacent side, PQ. So PQ, this square. Okay. Now next step what? We have OP is equal to 7 centimeter. Before substituting the value for OP, first we have to simplify this further using this equation. Okay, so I will call this as 1. Now take this, OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. Okay, find OQ using this equation. So OQ keep here. Okay, first to equal sign should be in one line like this. So write OQ here is equal to 1, you write like this. Because we want OQ, I have written like this. Now minus PQ we don't want, so move this minus PQ to this side. When minus PQ is moved to this side, this minus PQ will become plus PQ. Okay. Now substitute this OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ into this equation 1. So in place of OQ we have this. So in place of OQ I am going to write this 1 plus PQ. This is equal to OP square. So wait. In place of OQ I have written this 1 plus PQ, then whole square. This square will be as it is. Next OP square plus this PQ square. Okay, now I will just see any previous content. If you want, you can just move the video backward, okay, because of space issue. Now we have this equation. See, this is in the form of a plus b whole. We have formula, right? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Correct? So now write this, I will write it here, 1 plus PQ square. 1 plus PQ square. See, this is equal to, this is in the form of this a plus b whole square. In place of a we have 1, in place of b we have PQ. Square same. So according to this formula, a square, a means 1 square plus 2, a means 1 into 1 into b means in place of b I have PQ. Okay, plus b, in place of b means PQ, so PQ square. Okay, I will write this equation once again here. 1 plus PQ whole square is equal to this OP square plus this PQ square. Okay. Okay. Now consider this equation. In place of 1 plus PQ whole square, I will write this, because 1 plus PQ whole square is equal to this. So in place of this, I am going to write this. So 1 square plus this 1 square means 1 only. So 1 square means 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2. 2 into PQ, 2 PQ plus PQ square plus PQ square. So in place of this, I have written this. So is equal to this, right, OP square plus PQ square. Okay, you got it right. I have considered this equation. In place of this, I have written this here. Then this equal sign. So OP square plus PQ square, I have written as it is. Now simplification. See, consider the equal sign. Before the equal sign, here also plus PQ square. After the equal sign, here also plus PQ square. On both the sides of the equal sign, same term is there, plus PQ square plus PQ square. So we can cancel it. What is left? So 1 plus 2 PQ is equal to this OP square. Okay. Now substitute the value for OP. So OP is 7 centimeter. First write this as it is, 1 plus 2 PQ. OP means according to diagram 7. Centimeter, that is you can write later after the answer. So in place of OP, 7 square. Okay. Next write this, 1 plus 2 PQ is equal to 7 square. 7 into 7, 49. Okay. So we are going to find PQ. This PQ, because we don't know this side. So write this 2 PQ as it is equal to 49. We want 2 PQ, we don't want 1 now. Move this 1 to this side. So here nothing means plus 1 is there. When this 1 is moved to this side, plus 1 becomes minus 1. So next, this 2 PQ is equal to 49 minus 1 is 48. We want PQ, we don't want 2. So divide both sides by 2. 2 cancels. So 2 ones are 2 2s are 4, 2 4, 224. Okay. 2 1, 224 is a 48. So we got PQ is equal to 24. Okay, so now we got this PQ. Next we need to find this OQ. See, in the beginning they have given this equation, right? OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, centimeter I can write later. Now we got PQ we can find OQ using this. So OQ as it is minus PQ is 24 is equal to this one. So OQ, so equal to 1 you write first. So minus 24 you move to this side, we get plus 24. So OQ is equal to 1 plus 24 is 25. Okay. So OQ means 25 this side. That is, we got hypotenuse. So question asked to find SinQ CosQ. Now SinQ is equal to this opposite side. Opposite side is what? OP. Hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So that is OQ. OP is how much? 7 centimeter. OP. OQ. We got this 25. Next we want CosQ. Adjacent. Adjacent its side is this. So PQ. So adjacent side is PQ. Next hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So OQ. PQ is how much? So 24. OQ how much? 25. Okay. So we got sin Q is equal to this. This is the answer, 7 by 25. Cos Q is equal to this. This is the answer, 24 by 25. So these two are the required answers. So we got it. Thank you. Anything if you want to say, please mention in the comment. I will follow that. And subscribe.